semi-final. Not right now, Yumak. The semifinals will begin soon. I need to train. I need to train a lot.
Sister! Sister! Hey, sis! Can we play tower together?
Not now, Mutlu. The semifinals will begin soon. I need to train.
All right, I guess I'll go.
Neşe, it's sunny and beautiful out. How about a picnic in the garden?
I can't right now, Zuzu. The semifinals will begin soon. You know that.
Oh, all right, Neşe.
Zuzu, please, no hard feelings. After the semifinals, we'll have the best picnic ever, I promise. Ha! Hop! Ha!
Sweetheart, slow down.
I'm super excited, Dad. Today at school, I've got a training session for the semifinals. I need to win that game no matter what.
You're doing great, dear. I am so very proud of you.
Neşe, after your semifinals game, we can play tower together, right?
Of course we can, Mutlu. This was amazing.
Oh, thank you so much, dear.
I almost forgot about that. I won't be using this medallion for a while. Minnie and Manny know that too. I'm not dealing with the Shopalots until after the semifinals.
Fine decision, dear.
Now sis, wait for me too. Let's go to school together.
No sweat, Mutlu. I'll be outside. Yumak, I'm sorry. You can't come to the school with me. Stay here, okay? What's going on, Yumak? Why are you so restless?
No way! You left without me? Couldn't you just wait a couple of minutes? What's wrong with you, Yumak? My sister isn't playing with you because of the tennis game, right?
Manny, 2 Shopalots landed on Earth. Then they headed straight back to their planets.
That's real odd. That is not how the Shopalots usually act. I wonder why they went to Earth. Did you call Neşe?
I did, but I couldn't reach her. You know that she's been so occupied training for her tennis game lately.
I think we should go to Earth and check if everything's going as planned for her.
Great idea, Manny. Let's go back to Earth.
I think Neşe hasn't come to school today. I suppose we'll do the training without her then.
Why didn't Neşe come to school? She's sick or something?
Hold on a sec, Zuzu. I thought she was already here. We should go back home and let my parents know.
I wonder if they realize that I've been gone. Maybe they think I'm in one of my training sessions. Oh, I left the medallion at home on the counter. What am I supposed to do now? Oh, no way!
Ah, Yumak, you have been barking here all day. I can't focus on my book when you do that.
Mommy! Mommy!
What is it, Mutlu?
Neşe's gone.
She had a training session today, but she didn't show up.
That is odd. Neşe would never miss her training sessions, no matter what.
I wonder if those Shopalots did something to her.
If they did, Minnie and Manny would warn Neşe with enough time. Don't you think, guys?
Neşe didn't take her super duper medallion today. Minnie and Manny can't reach her without it.
How exactly does this medallion work?
Hand it right over here. Ooh, I wonder if it has a turn-on switch somewhere.
Hey, Dad, you're gonna break it. Give it to me. Let me see something.
Well, hello.
I made it work and called Minnie and Manny here. Ha ha ha!
The medallion can only work on Neşe's neck, Mutlu.
Hello, galactic friends. Is Neşe with you?
Sorry, she isn't here?
She hasn't been around since morning.
Now I see why the Shopalots came to Earth and then left so suddenly.
Okay, why?
Oh, I think he means they took Neşe.
Oh, that can't be!
Don't get your hopes up, not even for 1 second. You will never be able to invade my planet. Never! Keep laughing, you idiot space thing! Almost! Yes! I got it now! Come here, my precious remote! 2 buttons to choose from. I wonder which one does which. I'll try the red one. No, that doesn't work. Then it must be the blue one. Haha, I did it! Bring it on, you guys. I've been in the mood for some hardcore training. Up. Ha!
Okay, so why is this ship going so slowly? I don't think we can make it.
The ship is not slow, Mutlu. The Shopalot planet is a bit far out here.
You're telling me we can't go any faster?
We can, but it might get a little bit shaky for all of you Earthlings.
Neşe needs us immediately. We've got to hurry up.
I think we can go turbo. That'll do the trick.
All right, hold tight, everyone.
Oh, I feel just horrible.
No kidding. It was really shaky.
We must find Neşe right away.
I'm seeing some movement over there.
Let's go and take a look.
Ha! Keep on coming.
Neşe?
Neşe! Ah, behind you!
Hey, sis, your medallion.
Great throw, Mutlu. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. You big Shopalot creep! Come right over here.
Hang in there, Neşe.
Oh no, it's not working. It's too strong.
I have an idea. What did I tell ya? now, you guys. We'll have a nice picnic in the garden and make a tower.
How about your training? Did you forget about your game tomorrow?
I have trained enough. And I miss you both so much. I don't want to delay those I love any longer.
You're the best, sis.
It's almost over. If she wins this set, she'll win the game.
Ha!
Huh?
Ha!
Huh?
And that's a point for Neşe. So after winning 2 sets successively, we now have our winner of the semifinals matchup.
My sister won the game!
Congratulations, sweetheart.
You must wait! Ah!